Hello, I'm really excited to introduce Bun 1.0. So, what is a Bun? So, it is a fast all-in-one toolkit for JavaScript and TypeScript. So, it was released just 2 days back on September 8, 2023, and it is developed by Jared Subner, Ashkan Partovi, and Colin McDonald. Okay, so Bun is a comprehensive toolkit for JavaScript and TypeScript. It handles running, building, testing, and debugging from a single file to a full stack application. So all in all, Bun is everything. So what is Bun 1.0? So Bun is an all-in-one toolkit, as I've told you. Bun is a JavaScript runtime. Bun is a package manager. Bun is a test runner. Bun is a bundler. Bun is much more. Bun is everything. Until now, we used to have Babel, we used to have Webpack, we used to have NPM, we used to have Node, we used to have Jest, but now we have just Bun for everything and everything. Why Bun? JavaScript is a powerful, but tooling has become complex over years, right? So Bun's goal, simplify without sacrificing what's great about JavaScript. And Bun eliminates the need of various tools including Node.js, transpiler, bundler, and package manager. So let's see the key features of Bun. So it has a very fast runtime JavaScript. It drop in a replacement of Node.js, and you'll be amazed. It is 4 times faster than Node.js. 4 times faster than Node.js. And it's built on Apple's WebKit engine. And if you remember, our Node.js is built on V8 engine, and WebKit engine is much more faster than that. And it supports TypeScript and JSX. And the transpiler backed into the runtime, it supports both ES module and the CommonJS module. And if we talk about web APIs, all the APIs of our browsers are supported, and it is much more faster and reliable than the third-party alternatives. So let's see what additional feature do we have. So hot reloading, reloads code without disconnecting HTTP and WebSocket connection, and it can act as a plugin. It customizes import and loading logic, compatible with ESBuild plugin, and it acts as a package manager, significantly faster than installation and script execution compared to NPM, Yarn, and PNPM, and it can act as test runner, fully Jest compatible testing module, and it is 13 times, you can see 13 times faster than Jest, and it can act as a bundler and a minifier. So it bundles code for various platforms, and it is 1.75 times faster than the ESBuild. So you can see you can run script using our Bun. So when we say npm run and Bun run, you can see both the images. So Bun run is much more faster, and you can see our npm is slower. So we can really see, right? My beg your pardon, it should be noticeably. And when we use Bun as a script runner, then it is much more faster than Yarn and PNPM. So when we run the same command using npm, it takes 176 milliseconds. When you use Yarn, it takes 131 milliseconds. When we use PNPM, then it takes 259 milliseconds. And when we use Bun, it takes 7 milliseconds. Amazing, right? So let's take a quick demo. So installing Bun is pretty simple. We can use this. I will say, so let's go to our terminal and we'll say curl fsl. So they will go and install our Bun. So now we have Bun. So when we say Bun, so maybe I need to refresh my terminal. So now let's say Bun. Yes. So now we have Bun. Okay. So let's make a folder, Bun demo, and let's go to Bun demo. Okay. So let's just follow here. So we can simply use Bun run, right? So let's create a file. So let's simply copy this, and we can say vim index.ts. I've pasted it here, and let's say wq, and you can say Bun run index.ts. So you see, we have created a web server in no time, very fast. And let's explore what else do we have. So let's hash a password. So let's copy this. Let's say vim index.ts, and let me remove everything, and let me add this, and let me run. So it doesn't print anything, but I can go and add console.log, right? So let me add console.log. Let's say hash console.log. Let's say it's match. Cool. So we get a hash and we also print the console. So it's very simple. We just have to install Bun and we are all ready to get started with our code base, right? Let's see what else we can have. Like we can create a web server using this. So it's pretty simple. So we have the server, we have fetch, we can parse the cookies. So it's like we're simply using JavaScript only. So we can also create a bundle for the browser. We can write test, we can hash a password, we can read a stream, and much more. And Bun is a npm compatible package manager. Bun is a test runner. So if you want to learn more about Bun, you can go and check out their site bun.sh. And also you can go to the documentation, you can go to their guides, you can read the blogs. And how can we say Bun is powerful? So when we use bun.serve, when we want to create a server, so you can see it can handle 66,706 requests per second. Amazing. While Node.js can handle only 13,000. So when we use WebSocket, Bun can handle 1 million messages, whereas Node can handle simply 179,185 messages per event. And when we talk about SQLite, so the average query per second is 81 in Bun, while in Deno or better SQLite 3, they're simply 43 and 21. This massive improvement, right? This is also massive, and this is also massive. Amazing. So Bun 1.0 is just here. It just released 2 days or 3 days ago. I'm excited to use this as a production build. So I'll create a project on this Bun sooner, and I want to test it in a production environment. And also I'll submit few feedbacks about it. I hope you liked the video. Please drop a like and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.